Вот люстра. Люстра с Киева. Чешская. Вот мы с Алексом ее установили здесь. And today, January 1st, 1 января, у нас пошел снег. У нас пошел снег, первый снег. Вот только начинается. Начинается только идти сейчас. Должно быть где-то от 6 до 9 инчей. Так что посмотрим. Посмотрим, что будет. You see the mirrors okay?
That side.
Huh? Okay.
That side.
Oh. Put defrost on and redirect the hot air. Put the hot air all the way in the window too, on the front. Found it? Defrost? Huh? And that's another thing. When you start the car, listen, the engine starting.
Yeah.
You gotta let go the key. You overhold it. Those grinding teeth. Так, warm her up a little bit. Just wait. Don't go anywhere.
Where are we going?
Around.
The neighborhood?
Yeah. To the park.
Park.
I want to see how you in the snow feel this car.
And you want to go now?
Did you put defrost on the back like I said? What are you doing? This is supposed to be all the way to the heat.
I just did a little
Look for a window. You on a window?
Yeah.
Blow on there. That's your defrost in the back. See the heat and little window? That's your defrost. You gotta warm it up because it's gonna ice up. Wipers. Put the wipers a little bit. Water is supposed to melt because the water is de-icer. So leave on the first position. Okay, go slow. And watch around, mirrors and back and everything else, and sides. No rush. Adjust your chair so you can be more comfortable. Why are you doing this? Huh? Why are you hitting the brake so hard? Huh?
Fixing my chair.
Ну так adjust it. Put the car in park and adjust it.
Where are we going? Left?
I said to the park.
Okay, bad.
Turn your wheel. Even salt is still slippery.
Why? Salt.
Yeah, because still ice there in the snow. It's not completely. You see the spots?
Left?
Yeah. Got an incoming car. Keep it, yeah, it doesn't matter. Keep it straight. Hold two hands normal, not relaxing.
Why?
Yeah, because. Go.
Oh, I'm saying I'm fine.
Looks like you keep talking. Go straight. Just make turn in that parking lot. You're gonna see.
What are we doing?
Make a turn here. Go in the parking lot. Go. Turn. Turn. Make a more right and make a U-turn. Go straight, make a U-turn.
Just turn around?
Yeah, turn. Apply gas a little bit. Apply gas. Apply gas. Turn. Did you feel it drifted or no? Okay. Go.
What, left or right?
Make a right. Go a little quicker with gas.
Why?
I want you to go drift a little bit. Go. Apply gas a little more. Go. Go. See what I mean?
Yeah.
See how it drift? Right away losing control.
Just got another car.
Don't go too fast.
I'll walk this example. Go straight.
Yeah. See they plow this side already. left turn. Brake before. See, you might not be able to stop. A little more, so you can see it. All right, go, go, go. No cars. Go, go, go. Let go the gas. You're gonna drift right now. You see it? Do you feel it or no? Or you're gonna feel it? Because if you go on the gas hard, it's gonna be out of control. You're not gonna be able to make a turn. And start braking ahead of the time. On the left, on the traffic light.
Left?
Yeah, drop the speed already, start braking because you're gonna slide straight in the fence. You don't know how it's gonna be stopping. Just roll it. That's your Oakton College. Driver Alex coming to the Oakton College parking lot, and we're gonna practice. Stop and go. Just wait, let him go through. No hurry. Go. Go. Go.
Right here.
Make a first turn to the right. See, they plow the snow already. Looks like somebody plow. Slow. You're gonna drift.
Is that what we're here for?
Go in there. Make a right between those. Turn. Make a U-turn right now. Turn. Turn, turn, turn. See? See? You're losing traction, but you got new tires.
This is sick.
So you see? Traction kicks in.
Traction.
It shows you, you stupid driver. It's gonna apply the traction control. Stop. Stop right here. Stop.
Yeah.
Make a turn and apply the gas a little more.
Where, like it doesn't work?
Yeah, go. Apply gas harder. See? Okay, let go. ABS kicks in. Traction kicks in.
Traction. ABS.
Okay.
Yeah, but isn't this
Alright, go around.
the tires?
Huh?
Isn't this ruining the tires?
It's slipping. On the snow, you're not really ruining the tires, but
Yeah,
if
but
you're
you're
drifting
still-
on a hard surface, you burn the tires.
Yeah, but you're grinding the
Okay,
tires.
park on the side. Let's go see the lake.
I don't, okay.
Park on the side, just right here. Right here. You can sideways park. Park sideways.
Why?
Nobody here.
No,
Here. Chicken.
not chicken.
Okay, leave it on.
Let's go to
Park. Park the car. Leave it running. So it's nice and warm and safe.
Just want to take out the key?
No, just leave it running.
gonna-
Nobody gonna steal your car. Давай. Come on.
Steal one, man.
Come on. Let's go.
Get my hat. It's cold, man.
Давай. I think you want to go swim.
Yeah, man, it's crazy.
Alex is in Florida. He wants to go swim in the ocean. You're gonna slide in there. Don't go there.
I got boots, man. I got tracks.
Is it hot enough for you?
Nah.
Be careful, you might get a sunburn.
Oh, yeah.
You might get a sunburn. I bet Lake Michigan waves like crazy.
Yeah, but can it still freeze?
Yeah. It will start freezing once the temperature drop. Okay, let's go. Alex got new handle, a new steering wheel.
It's gonna match the colors, but
It's okay.
it's not okay.
We don't care about colors if it's
I do.
mismatch.
It's my car.
Image to this.
Yeah, but does that match this?
Okay, let's go.
Crazy monster.
But that's leather. You got a leather steering wheel.
I am with the leather. Where are we going home?
Yeah.